this is Stephanie with Uprise here in Austin, Texas, and today we are going to be learning about our beautiful and very durable 3D laminate, which is offered on our Uprise height and width adjustable desk. Now you're probably thinking, okay, what do I care about the tabletop? Well, the tabletop is an essential element to your desk experience, and there are 4 items that we want to show you why the 3D laminate is very different than a traditional HPL laminate, which is a high pressure laminate. So first we're going to talk about its impact resistance. The lovely thing about a 3D laminate is that it will not crack, chip, or break. Many high pressure laminates will have the tendency to do that. Secondly, and I'm going to move so I'm going to show you on 2 different desks, the overall look, which is very different. It's a very stark contrast to a traditional laminate tabletop. So let me move over so you can see what the 3D laminate looks like. Now, 3D laminate is not going to have any edge banding. So it's going to be very, very seamless. It's going to have a slightly rounder edge, which is called a bullnose edge, and you might even have heard that expression with a countertop. As I mentioned, it has a rounded edge. It's not going to have any T-molding or edge banding. And the reason why this makes it very important is that with a T-molding or any sort of edge banding, that has a tendency to crack or separate over time, but also it can collect dirt. And with lesser quality edge banding, that's where a lot of the glue is. And then also from a health perspective, sometimes that nasty glue, depending on the quality of the tabletop, can also, those fumes can eventually emulate. The cleanability and the stain resistance also makes our 3D laminate tops very different than traditional high pressure laminates. They have a higher level that when the desk is cleaned, whether it's using any sort of household chemicals or office chemicals, or especially the chemicals that you might use in a medical facility, with traditional high pressure laminates, that can have issues and then cause the laminate to crack as well. But with the 3D laminate, it is resistant to harsher chemicals, and then also you could just use soap and water to clean it off. So if you get any sort of stains, or if your kids are doing projects on your desk and messing it up, now you can clean it up. And then the last thing we really want to talk about is the durability. The 3D laminate is a higher level of durability as compared to traditional laminates. And it's just overall, it's very lovely. It is offered in different sizes and different colors and with grommets. So if you have any questions, give us a call. Thank you.